Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn some complex requirement to fulfill using query. For example, we have a requirement that we want to see country-wise sales and the sales formula is quantity multiplied by sales price. So keep in mind that we want to see sales. Okay, sales is coming from order table because we have a quantity is reside inside the order table. So this is the order table. Okay, and sales price is coming from our product table. This is our product table. And country is coming from US. So country is coming from customer side, so US, Australia and Canada and like that. So what I want to see that we need to make a join, which we already covered in our video. So let me make my query for that. Okay, so select, and keep in mind that we need only two column, country and sales. Okay, so let's first start with star. Okay, then I will use order. Okay, as order O, and what I'm going to use left join with the customer. Okay, and I'm going to see, now I'm going to use on that my o dot order, which is joining with customer, c dot customer, right? And I'm also using another left join. Let indent it properly so we will not get any confusion. Left join with products. So we learned this thing in previous video, so I hope you will not getting any difficulty. So p dot product id, and I would say o dot customer product id. O is my order. So we created this. Now what I want to say that we have a country is coming from C country, right? And we have a formula like O dot quantity multiply by P dot sales price. Okay, so one thing, if I run this query, let's say, so I got the result, right? But I don't have a column name here, so it's look not good. So let's say I say sales. Now as sales, so I have defined the name of this column. Okay, right. One way is defining a sales like that, or there is new way in SQL that we can use equals to as well. So in this case we don't need this, so this will work also, right? So sales here. Okay, so this is a simple way and we get, but what about now now next requirement is, okay, I want to sum all of sum by country, sum sales. Okay, sum of sales by country. So this is my another requirement. Okay, so let me copy this query. So now I'm working with, now my in this query I want to sums of sales. So we have a sales, but what I mean to here that, for example, we have a US, and if we have US we can sum of the sales. So in this case maybe 90 plus 40 138, I think so. So it will be the result for that. But in case of Australia it will be 98, and in case of Canada it should be again 98. So what we need to use group by, and what field we are going to group here, country. Sum of sales is our numeric data, and country is our where we are going to apply group, so we are using country. Okay, so the problem with the group by, we need a aggregate function. If I run this query, I am getting an error. Okay, it's need a aggregate function. Okay, what are the aggregate functions actually? So aggregate functions are like sum. Okay, let me write some few aggregate function. Aggregate, okay, I'm sorry for that, because we need to use, okay, sum. Okay, we need to pass sum, we have average, we have a count. So these type of function are aggregated function. Actually what it did, it actually summarized the value of the column. So let me show what I mean to say. So here I am going to use sum, and let's try this. So here you go, that Australia, Canada and US has all the sum 138, 98, 98. So all the values have been sum, and we get single row depending on the group by. If we omit, for example, if we omit group by, one more minute please, I'm just copying it to explain you further. um, let's say I omit this thing, so it will give me again error. Why? Because we have a country and we haven't used country in a group by. So let's remove the group by of the country. Okay, so here we go, we are actually getting 334, which is sum of all the sames which is actually found in our ordered data. So in fact not in order data, because we have a sum is coming from two tables actually. So its sum is going to be, it's aggregating all the things, but for this we are grouping this. So one more thing I would like to say, that if I want to order by, order by, and let's say I want to order top sales come first, so what I am going to use, sales, but it will not work like that. Okay, so what we need to use a piece of formula which we have developed here, and then we need to use it here. So let's run. So it's already sorting. So if we use descending DSC, then it will sort in a reverse order. Okay, so this is the actually demo for the today video. So in next video we will learn more about group by, order, and make something more complex things like that. So thank you very much for watching this video.